Hi guys, and welcome to an unboxing of Shadow of the Tomb Raider, the new Tomb Raider game. So I've been pretty excited for this. I don't know about you guys, but it will be pretty interesting. So I opted for getting the Steelbok edition, so that will be pretty exciting. So let's just get right onto it, shall we? So guys, here we have it. This is the package for the Shadow of the Tomb Raider. It came by the post today in my mailbox actually. So let's see what we got in this package here. What can it be? What can it be? Let's move it out. And looky. Look what I got. I got a Steelbok right there. And I got Shadow of the Tomb Raider right here. So I got both. I had no clue I was gonna actually get both of these. So maybe my guess is they're you know what? It's two games. Really, seriously. Why do they send me two games? I can hear their discs or something in this. This is really weird experience. I had no clue. Why would they send both two games? Seriously weird. Maybe they did wrong. I have no clue, seriously. Sorry, my phone is completely... My phone are getting messages. Anyway, so this is what we found in the package. I was mightily surprised that this is what we found. Seriously, I thought I was only gonna get the Steelbok edition right here. But as you can hear, there's something inside of it. It's not just a Steelbok that you can put on then. This, you know, I mean, on the disc of it. So I don't know what they've done here, really. But what we're gonna do, my ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're gonna, this is plastic over this. We're gonna rip that off with a knife or something, and we're gonna do the same thing to the Steelbok edition and see how it looks. All right, so just 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, ladies and gents, we are here with the sharp knife. Maybe not too clean, but it's sharp. Good enough for the purpose. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the original edition. So this is the original edition, I suppose. So we'll see what it can do here without hurting too many of my fingers. You know. Let's see if we can... Since I'm not the biggest professional, may take a little more skill to this than usual, maybe. But what do we have here? Okay, interesting. Get a lot of annoying messages when you don't want to, but I guess that's fine. There you go. So Tomb Raider original edition. You're opening it up and it looks like this. For PS4, everything is nice. I don't know what that is for. You're not gonna see that registration number. Anyway, that's that one. So here is the Steelbok. Isn't it very interesting? I don't know if it sounds steely, but it sounds like a steel. So yeah, it actually was a steal. It was a really good price. 538 Swedish crowns. I bought it at okay, I'm making an advertisement right here. It was actually Spelbutiken.se, so it's a Swedish one. And yeah, the game is pretty new. I don't know if it's been out for a month or something. Maybe you guys know that better than me. I'm not sure. This will be a pain to open because there's no beginning anywhere, so I can't really cut it. Let's see if I can maybe... Oh, okay, looky. Maybe I can just do like dangerous stuff like this, and then like that, maybe. Let's try that idea, see if it works. Oh, come on, Steelbok. Let me look at you, dear oh dear. Alright, I got Steelbok Tomb Raider. Isn't that pretty beautiful? And looky look, what do we have here? Isn't that very, very nice? You slide it off like that. You have this kind of cover, which actually isn't a Steelbok. It's some kind of fake original. And then you open that, and what do you find? You find this marvelous, I don't know what it is, but it's something cool. Maybe it's the Sion or whatever it's called in Tomb Raider 1. Cool! I don't know the story that good, but I just know Tomb Raider is a great action game, and that's why we buy it. Okay, it looks really, really cool. I mean, look at that. It's some kind of dagger. It looks dangerous. Anyway, so that's cool. And you got some fan art. Should we open it? I think we should. You can see some mountains, something cool there. Look really good. You guys probably know this way, 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 way better than I do. I can say that the weight of this thing, it does sound pretty good.